Welcome to Coder Chronicles. Become a maestro in mobile app development with Flutter.
To install Flutter in your desktop or in your laptop, go to Google search bar and type Flutter, and there is this link called Download Flutter SDK. Click on it. It will take you to this page, this Flutter development page, and on this page, click Get Started. After you have clicked Get Started, make sure you choose your development platform to get started, either on Windows, MacBook, Linux, or Chrome OS. But for the time being, I'm going to start with Windows because I'm using a HP Windows laptop. Click on Windows and it will take you to the next page, that is choose your first type of app, either it's a desktop, mobile, or a web. But for the time being, we are going to use a mobile, which is most recommended for many developers. And it will take you to this another website called Start Building Flutter's Android Apps on Windows. Before you do anything, please make sure you pass through the system requirements, hardware requirements, and software requirement, and operating system and developers tool, which you must install Git for Windows and Android Studio. And the installation setup for Git for Windows and Android Studio, they will be coming later on other videos. But for the time being, we are going to focus on installing Flutter SDK on your laptops and on your machines. Scroll down up to this install the Flutter SDK and click this link download and install. It will show you this link here. Download the following installation bundle to get the latest stable release of the Flutter SDK. Make sure you click on it, and after clicking on it, you will see your download link here. Up it has started. Wait for it to download up to completion, and let's see how to install it. After downloading the Flutter package, go to your file explorer and click download, and on the download you will see your downloaded Flutter package. This is a compressed file, and to decompress it we are going to right click and choose extract file, and we are going to choose our location for the extraction to occur. So I'm going to click on the local disk C and I will choose Flutter and click OK. But for the time being, I have already done the extraction, but you as a new user, as a person who is doing the extraction for the first time, you have to create the folder and click OK. Now, after you have extracted the Flutter package and extracted it in the folder of your preference, go to your setting windows and type env, name of environment, then click on the edit the system environment variables. This small window will be displayed, and click on environment variable, and it will open the user variable for you and the system variable. On the user variable, just click on the path directory and click new, and go to where you have extracted your package, the Flutter package, and in the Flutter, just press until you have this bin. And when you are inside the bin folder, double click this and copy the link there, and go back to the system environment variables window and click on the new button and add that windows there. Click OK, OK, and OK. Type Command D, the command prompt, and type Flutter version. When you click the Flutter version, you can see that our Flutter version is up and running.